Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. On the Link chart, the structure on the 4-hour chart remains unchanged. We have a first initial impulse to the upside after the bear market low in June 23. This is important because we can, based on that, have a bullish or at least entertain the idea that the bullish trend is going to continue as soon as this correction is finished. The main question at the moment on this chart is, okay, is the correction actually finished? Have we actually completed this correction that started on the 10th of March, around about that period, when the correction started, and this one that is labeled wave 2. I mean, is this actually completed? It's possible, but it takes a little bit more evidence to confirm that. And over the last few days, I shared with you what we need to see really to confirm this further. Important is, I think, at the moment to recognize that the reaction here to our support area, and by the way, support is between 1280 and 690. That's the standard support region, which is relevant for such a wave 2 correction, obviously. And that means we shouldn't break below $6.90, but we have to give the market the space here in this correction, to find support and to turn around somewhere in the box. We can, of course, specify that a little bit further, and there are additional Elliott wave guidelines that, for example, help us. Additional guidelines, additional Elliott wave guidelines, and one of these is, for example, that wave 2 bottoms in the region of a wave 4 of 1 lesser degree. So we did that. Okay, it's just that this wave 2 is, of course, a very, very short time-wise, so I don't trust it yet. If we look at how long the wave 1 was, I mean, more than half a year, right? And the wave way more than that, nearly 9 months, I think. And the wave 2 just got finished in like a month? I don't know. There's something doesn't fully add up there. However, it's possible. We're in a bullish market. Sometimes pullbacks are shallow, and there is no rule that tells us how long a correction must be. There are guidelines. So the only way to confirm that wave 2 has indeed bottomed in this support area at around 1280. I mean, the market tested the support region 3 times, and then made a move. The only way to confirm it is to wait for 5 waves up from an analysis point of view. And this 5-wave move up, as I said in previous videos, might be unfolding right now. Definitely, I'm tracking for you the relevant parameters that need to be respected to complete that 5-wave move as per my guidelines. And the 3rd wave already reached the ideal target. It can always go higher. Okay, it's the first ideal target, can always go higher. And the first ideal target is the 1.38 extension at $18.52. That's the 3rd wave ideal target. Can always go higher. Next upside target is $20. And I wouldn't rule out that we go there in wave 5 of C of 3 in the white count. In fact, I mentioned to you yesterday that I would like to see at least one more high. That would be ideal, and especially as long as this red line is holding, one more high is forecasted to possibly $20. As long as we hold above the red line at $17.77, one more high is likely, and then we could get another 4-5 pattern. I would like to see 5 waves minimally to $20. So if the next high already reaches $20, that's only 3 waves. Okay, so do you see what I mean? It's only 3 waves, we need 5. So therefore, obviously, that doesn't really help us. But it helps to add to the evidence that a low is already in. But what really will make the difference is that additional 4-5 pattern. This 4th wave support is currently unchanged, but if the price, maybe today, makes another high, then I can track that as 4th wave. Well, then I have to adjust first of all the support with the price, and then any pullback can be tracked as 4th wave as long as we're holding then above the specified support levels. At the moment, they are between $14.56 and $17. And then from there, one more high in wave 5 will be forecasted, but a break below support will indicate that we've topped in the yellow B wave, which would mean we are coming down in a more extended wave 2. Even in this scenario, I don't really want it to go very deep into the support region, so it might be around 1068, 950. But we can calculate that once we have a confirmed top. But for now, it's following the micro count. Really good to see. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.